Kim Oyler with the Durango Chamber of Commerce, and we are here at Peak Eyecare with Dr. Cap. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. So we're doing a member moment, and you're my eye doctor, and I love coming to you. You're really great. And I want to talk about dry eyes because I know you specialize in that. So tell us a little bit about that.
So we have a heavy focus of dry eye here. When you have a dry eye specific exam, patients come in, we do 12 different images of the front surface of the eye. We're looking at the oil glands, looking at the eyelashes, looking at how your eye can produce good quality tears. We then go in the exam room, we have a high powered microscope. We look at the front of the eye that way really closely with a zoomed in image. Different dyes, you actually express on the oil from your oil glands that are inside your eyelids. We can exfoliate some of the debris that clogs up those oil glands as well too. That gives us a much better idea as far as what type of dryness you have and treatment that's tailored directly to your eyes instead of just run-of-the-mill, here's an eye drop, we'll see you next year.
Right, that's great. And especially in our climate, I mean, it's really important to have, good eye health and treat those dry eye symptoms.
Yeah, if we have mild dry eye, you'd be fine living in Florida. We all want to live in Durango instead of Florida, and there's just so much drier here, so you have a tiny bit of dryness, you just feel it a whole lot more here than elsewhere.
Great. And you have another really cool program. It's Peak We Care, right? So do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, this is something our whole team is very, very proud of. We donate 2% of our glasses sales to local nonprofits. We switch every quarter. Currently we're donating to Say So. Next quarter we're going to Grubhub at the college. We've done the Plata Youth Services. We've done the Boys and Girls Club, making a soup kitchen. Any pair of glasses you buy from us, we donate 2% off the top towards local nonprofits. If you have any nonprofits you love that do well for our town, please let us know, specifically Cheryl here at our office, and we'd love to work with you.
That's excellent. So are there some quick health tips that you could provide for eye care?
There are a few. For kids, new research is showing the more time we spend outside, the lower the prescription ends up being. They're not entirely sure why that is, whether it's less time on screens or more time with good quality light from the sun. But we can hopefully reduce the amount of nearsightedness or minus power that you have by spending more time outside. So we do a good job of that in Durango. Keep it up.
That's awesome. Well, and especially for their health overall. So
yes.
That's a great tip.
For adults, unfortunately we're stuck in computers quite a bit. Something that can help is called the 20-20-20-20 rule. So every 20 minutes of computer use, take a 20-second break or more, looking 20 feet away or more. While you do that, do 20 exaggerated blinks. It sort of looks awkward, but big blinks helps express some of the oil from the oil glands. Your eyes produce better quality oil, which keeps them less dry on the computer screen.
Excellent. Well, I definitely need to do some of that for sure. So.
And then diet is a really important thing too. Fish oil, good quality fish oil, does really well from a dry eye standpoint. And the more spinach and kale you can eat, the better, especially kale. It's got a lot of lutein and zeaxanthin to help bolster up your macular pigment.
Oh, excellent. Great. Well, great tips. Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Cap. We appreciate your time. Yes, so we'll see you next time.
And I'm a huge fan of the Chamber. Any of the Thursday night events, definitely come to those. They do great for our town.
I didn't even have to pay them.